Okay, so today we are going to see how we shuffle a list in Python. For that, we need to first, from random package, import, import shuffle. Once we have done that, we need to define a list, say W. Now let's say this is a list which contains numbers. Okay. Now all we need to do is use the shuffle function on W. And now when we check W, it's shuffle. When we again use shuffle on W and again check W, it's again shuffled. And the thing to note here is that the shuffle function shuffles the original list itself. It doesn't return a new list which is shuffle. So you should use this carefully because the original list is modified.